Hello girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThought Zero to Hero series on Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright guys, we are on lesson number 50 and I am going to show you another operator called logical operator. What does this logical operator means? You have definitely seen this as an example in my previous lessons, but I am going to explain more from an operator point of view. Alright guys, so logical operators are used to combine conditional statements. All right, so logical operators in Python are nothing but a symbol called and, and or, and not, not. These are the three basic types of operators used in Python, and a logical operators is nothing but a symbol. So you got to use this as a symbol or a word, right? You can call it as a symbol or a word. Let me show you some example with a code. Let's do some coding here, and I'm going to log into my Jetson Nano. I have already logged in and I'm going to show you some example. So we have the Python file already created for this particular lesson operator. Let's open up nano operator.py. Okay, now let me give you an example. Say x equals to 5 and print x greater than say 3, and I am going to use the and x is less than 10, close the bracket. Now if I am right, if this code is right, if the logic is right, this is going to return as true because 5 is greater than 3 and I am using the and operator. 5 is less than 10, right? So let's see, Control O, enter, Control X. Let's execute the Python file. Python 3 operator.py. True, there you go, fantastic. Let me show you another example. Let's use the next operator, that is the or operator, right? So basically the or operator ideally should return a true if one of the statement is true. So let's use some sample statement, example statement, nano operators.py. Let me delete this. X equal to 5, print open bracket, round bracket, not. Okay, not. Now let's say, okay, let's use this, another bracket, x is greater than 3, x equal to 5, x is greater than 3, okay, and I am going to use the and operator, x is less than 10, okay. I'm going to close this, and then again I need to close the bracket. Why? Because I had already used a not operator right at the beginning, so I got to use this. So if I am right, if I execute this program, what should be the output? Well, it should ideally return false because not is used to reverse the result, right? At the beginning you are using the not operator, which is the logical operator, and when you execute with the and, ideally it should result, the result should be false. Let's see how it works. Control O, enter, Control X. Python 3 operators.py, false. Did you get that? Great, fantastic. So it's very simple, guys. If you understand this logic and if you go with this flow and if you practice, most important thing, guys, practice. You got to just type on the terminal, open Python file, type using the terminal and start executing and playing around. That's where you can master the skills. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and do please subscribe to this channel, do give a like and leave a comment below. I'll get back to you soon in the next video. Bye bye.